Do you want to learn how to check air quality in Google Maps on mobile? It could be either an Android mobile or an Apple mobile. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. Now first, you need to make sure that you have Google Maps installed on your Android or Apple. I have it installed. If you don't have this installed, go over to Play Store or App Store and search for Google Maps and install it from here. Once you have it installed, open the Google Maps app. Now to check the air quality, first head over to the place where you want to check the air quality. And then once you found your target, under the set home, there will be this NAQI with 11 degrees. This whole button, click it, and you will get this pop-up which says the place name, the current weather, and below it we have got air quality which says good 48 NAQI. Now if we click this, it will show the whole map and it will have the air quality displayed on the map. You can just zoom out, view the air quality of the whole map. So if we zoom in to Wyoming, you'll find that there are some red streaks and yellow streaks here. This means that this place currently has an high AQI, which is not good. And all the green areas have low AQI, which is good. Now you can go back to that map type, air quality map type, by clicking on this square type icon, this button above this compass icon, and it will give you this pop-up. Under the map details, next to wildfires, there is air quality. Click it and you will get this air quality map type again. And I can just scroll around the map, Google Map, and you can see it updates for all of these areas. So this is how you can check air quality in Google Maps on mobile, either Android or Apple. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know with a like and comment.